Hello everyone. So I've been working on my personal website for a while and I'm thinking of implementing a parallax scroll effect for my project's page. Basically, I want this title and the subtitle to hide behind this content as the user starts to scroll. Let me just open it up on my localhost. Okay, so now I'm going to add a class to it, a parallax class.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline.
Now I've added three classes: parallax, parallax foreground, and parallax background.
Tell me you're more than just a highlight.
Parallax background being given to the div that contains the title and subtitle, and foreground being given to the div that contains these items.
Wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for
Now the parallax foreground should overlap the parallax background as the user starts to scroll. Now let me implement styles that will make this code actually work. Let me add a style for the parallax class. I want its position to be relative. I'm using Scss here, so I don't have to type parallax every time. It will automatically prefix it for me. I want background to remain absolute. No, sorry, I want it to remain fixed. Okay, now the title or the background is completely overlapping the foreground. Okay, let me open up the inspect tool. Yeah. Hey, let me give some z-index. Let me give z-index to fix this issue. Okay, now the foreground should have a z-index higher than the background. Okay, now it's fixed. Let me give it a background color because the current color is transparent. Yep, now the parallax background is completely overlapped by the parallax foreground. But I still want some distance between them. Let me give it a margin. Now my top margin should be same as the height of my background. Basically the height that my background is covering. Let me define a variable for that. Let me scroll down and find out what the height is. Okay, it's 60 VH. Let me assign it now to the margin. Let me close this. See, now it seems to be working. One more thing, when I'm on a mobile screen, I do not want that parallax. I want it to be a normal scroll. For that, let me shift this parallax rule inside a media query.
bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't.
Okay, now it's working for a desktop. Let me check it on a mobile. See, now it's a normal scroll on a mobile. Let me check it on a landscape mode of the iPad.
From the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant.
Yes, it's now working on the landscape mode too.
It comes back to you.
Yeah. Okay.
Still falling. Whoa.
The reason I have used variables here is so that I can shift this functionality to any page that I want it to, and so that I can manipulate these variables using JavaScript, or shift this parallax class basically to a component of its own.